In this video, I'll show you how to create a speech language pathology evaluation in HelloNote from scratch. Let's get started. First, create the patient profile. Go to the patient section and add a new patient. Fill in the name, date of birth, save the profile. Next, go to the Notes tab and click Add to create a new case. Set the profile to basic, enter the case title, select the primary insurance, and assign your speech language pathology therapist. Important: to create an SLP evaluation in HelloNote, make sure you are logged in as an SLP credentialed user, as evaluation access is tied to the logged-in user's own discipline. Add the past medical history, reason for referral, and diagnosis. Save the case. Open the note list, click New Note, and select Add Evaluation Note. On the Assessment tab, the diagnosis, past medical history, and reason for referral carry over automatically from the case. Type in the subjective complaint in the patient's own words. Then move to the next tab. On the Findings tab, you'll see a Comments field. Add a brief description of the patient's current swallowing limitations, then move on. On the Objective tab, under Functional Tests, you'll see fields for test name, version, standard score, scaled score, percentile rank, age equivalent, and severity rating. Under Selected Tests, search for and select your assessment tool. For a dysphagia case, select the MASA or MAN assessment of swallowing ability. Once selected, fill in the severity rating. Then at the bottom, complete the Objective Test Interpretation and Objective Comments fields before moving on. On the Treatment Plan tab, add your short-term and long-term goals with target weeks for each. Complete the components of evaluation dropdowns. The system automatically generates a suggested evaluation code based on your selections. Select the recommended treatment code, set the prognosis, frequency, and duration, then complete the patient education and plan fields. On the Billing tab, write the assessment, your medical necessity statement explaining why skilled speech-language therapy is required for this patient. Enter the minutes and units for the treatment code, check Document Medical Necessity, and confirm the attestation pop-up. Once all required fields are complete, click Actions, then Finalize. Confirm the date, click Yes, and the note is signed and locked.